Welcome ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are going to solve another coolest question, which is create target array in given order. Okay, so basically we have given an array in a given order and we have to create its target array. So I just repeat the same thing, don't worry. Let's just look at the question from what the question is saying. So it's saying given two arrays, integer nums and index. Okay, your task is to create target array. We have to create target array, okay, under the following rules. Initially target is empty, initially the target will be empty, all right. From left to right, read nums I and index inside an index I the value in the target. Repeat the previous step until there no system error. Or this, so okay, this thing makes some sense. Alright guys, so let's just look at over here what the question is saying. So let me just explain the question first, then we will move to our solution. Alright, so what the question is saying, like we are given something like nums is 0 1 2 3 4 in this one order, 0 1 2 3 4, and our index in this order 0 1 2 2 1. So what does it mean? Like we have to convert this array in the following given index. That's what will be our target is. That's what will be our output is. So now you ask like how we're going to do this. Let me just explain like how we will going to do this. So initially our index is 0. So what I will do, I will just simply put my 0 like this only, okay, in my target array. This is my 0. Now our index is 1. So what I will do, I will put my 0 and 1. This is my 1 and let me just mark them as well. Let me label them 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, all right, so here we go. So this is 0. Okay, now I have to go for 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will create 0 comma 1. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to go for 2 is at second index. I have to put this thing in my second index. Okay, so it will be 0 1 2 like this. Okay, now I will go for my third index over here, but in this one I have to put on my second index again. Okay, so what will happen, once I'm putting it over here 0 1, now 2 will not come because I have to put third in my second index. If you look at over here, now what will happen, my 3 will come over here and the last one will move to the right side. It will shift it to the right side. Okay, so it will come like this. Now what will happen, I will come on this one fourth one. Now it is saying like I have to put on my first index, but on my first index I have 1. So what will happen, it will again gonna shift to the right side. So it will become something like this, 0 now 4 1 3 2. Okay, because like let me just label them as well. If you look at over here, this 0 1 2 3 4, that's how we were gonna do it, because like in the end it's saying like we have to put on the first index. So what will happen, the 1 will shift to the right and the 4 will come on the place of first index. Okay guys, so that's how we're gonna solve this question. So that's the output is similar to this one. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. So now okay, let me just erase this thing, erase everything from over here. Okay, so let's just start solving this question. So what my first task is, my first task is to create an array list. Because why array list? Because array list is a dynamic list, like we can change its size and decrease size because it is flexible. Okay, but if I simply use my array, then we can't do it. Okay, so I will use array list over here. So I will create list which is of my integer. Okay guys, and let's say I will call it array ARR. Okay, and is new array list. Okay, all right, now what I will do, my task is to insert the elements in my array list according to their indexes. Okay, according to the indexes given over here, according to this index. Okay, according to this one. Okay, which is this one. Let's say we are dealing with this question. So our nums array is this one and we have to arrange them according to their indexes. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just simply say for int I 0 I less than it will be from nums dot len. Okay, it will go to our nums array. Okay, I will increment. Alright guys, now what my task is, to add into my array. So I will say array dot add. So first of all what I will do, I will add my index. Okay, I will put my index, then I will put according to my indexes. Okay, so it will be nums of I. Okay, now till now what we have did, we just have filled our array list. Okay, so we have put my array list. Okay, now my task is to return as an array. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will create on my target array because we have to return target in the end. So I will call it int target and its size will be of array. Okay, array list size. So I will say int array dot size like this. Okay, alright guys, now what I will do, I will run a for loop again. The for loop will run from I 0 to I less than and nums dot len. Right, and I will increment And now my task is to fill my target array. So to fill my target array, what I will do, I will just simply target I equals to array dot get I. That's how I will fit, because you know array dot get means like it will pick the top index present on the array. Okay, so and finally return our target. That's all the code is, guys. I hope this thing is clear, like how we are gonna solve this question. So what I have write in my solution, I hope this thing is clear. Let me just run this and I will give you a quick overview again. All right, so taking a time, let me just paste this everything. Okay, so it's accepting. So basically what we are dealing over here is, let's say I just create an array list. So this is my dynamic array. Oh, I hope so you know what is array list is. Okay, so and over here we are saying, I'm saying like I'm putting in my array list according to their indexes given in the index. Okay, now over here I'm creating my target which will like in which I will return my final output. Okay, and in this one what I'm doing, I'm filling my target with my array list with my array list. Okay, so the number present in my array list I will put it, dump into my target, and finally return my target. That's what we are all doing over here. So guys, let me just submit this and I will tell you what the time complexity we are dealing with. The time complexity we are dealing with is big O of n square. Okay, and this thing can be get more worse if you like, for example, like if I deal with this problem, let's say I have something like 1 2 3 4 5, let's say I have something like this, and this is my nums, and this is my index. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so like if my index is like this and this is my number, then it will be more worse. So that's why like I'm saying like it can be go till O big O of n square. Okay, to make it like more good, I will give you a quick hint, like you can solve it using linked list. Okay, so instead of using array list, you can use linked list and then put it into our target. Okay, so that's one another way you can do it. In that way you can deal with this time complexity. Okay, so guys, I hope this thing is clear. Like, so that's all our code is, and let me just finally we just submit it. So ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, if you still have any problems, any doubt, just do watch this video again, and if you still don't understand, then just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely gonna answer you. Ladies and gentlemen, till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Bye bye.